Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Could we use this powerful weapon to build India? For a country with 1 billion people, this is an Herculean task. Challenges such as lack of infrastructure, shortage of high-quality teachers, poverty, linguistic diversity, and lack of awareness stand in the way. In 2010, as information and communication technology began taking its baby steps into education, we saw an opportunity to address India's education challenge. The idea of spoken tutorial, a self-learning pedagogy, was born. It was a bold step with more unknowns than knowns, but we stayed the course. Low-cost, self-paced, short audio-video tutorials suitable for self-learning were created in English and several Indian languages to impart IT skills.
The target audience for a spoken tutorial is a remote child learning alone at midnight without anyone to help her. This is the only time of the day when she will get time to study after completing all her chores. No one will be available at that time to help her. In order to make education accessible to her, we make spoken tutorials suitable for self-learning.
Students enrolled, took the courses, got evaluated, and those who cleared the tests received certification. Since 2011, we have created over 15,000 tutorials in 22 languages to impart IT skills. With every certificate we offered hope. And most importantly, it gave us hope to build a better India. Spoken Tutorial has helped students secure jobs.
I am Mayur Wagmode from Pune Vidyarthi Grads College of Engineering. I am currently in the final year of computer engineering. There are not companies coming to our college, but I thank to Spoken Tutorial and NASSCOM for arranging such a beautiful mega job fair.
It has built confidence amongst young learners.
I introduced the project to my grade 11 and 12 students as per their curriculum, and it was a huge success, and we are continuing for almost 10 years now, and I have seen 100% results in the board examinations.
It has given people hope to rebuild their lives.
Samta Foundation has set up a computer literacy lab inside Nashik Central Prison. 170 inmates have enrolled for our program and 153 inmates have passed the examination. In fact, one of the inmates who earned a certificate went on a parole to his native village. With the certificate offered by Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay, he found a job there. On a completion of his parole, when he came back to the prison, he told other inmates about the job which he undertook. The prison authorities tell us that it has brought a lot of hopes for other inmates. We greatly appreciate the efforts of Spoken Tutorial team.
Today, having reached over 10 million learners, we stand proud and inspired to do more. Because this journey laid the foundation for us to dream of something bigger. Through Edu Pyramids, we aim to take the Spoken Tutorial self-learning pedagogy beyond IT, beyond classrooms, and closer to every learner who dares to dream. Come, join us. We can do this together.